There's the ceiling. The ceilings above our heads. Are my feet above the table? Are my feet above the table?
No, and
your feet
your feet
arms
above
the table.
The table.
But there,
below
the table. Very good. Now tell me the names of the months of the year, please. Tell me the names of the months of the year, please. The names of the months of the year are
January,
February,
April,
April, May, June,
July,
August, September,
October,
November,
December.
Very good. What's this month? What's this month? This month, April. What was last month? What was last month? Last month was? Last month was? March. What will next month be? What will next month be? Next month
will be May.
What will the month after next be? What will the month after next be? The month
after next
will be June. What was the month before last? What was the month before last? The month
before last was February.
What do the letters A and mean after the time? What do the letters A and mean after the time? The letters A M mean anti-meridian after the time.